and welcome to today's video where I will be showing you how to do some super quick and easy heatless curls just using a rope string. So the only materials that you'll need is a brush, 2 scrunchies, a claw clip so we get hold the tie in place, and just some water. You could use a spray bottle, you could even just use a sink and dampen your brush, and of course a rope string. To start off, we'll get our brush and just brush out any tangles or knots that our hair has. Once you're done brushing your hair, split your hair into 2 sections. And now you could either decide to use a spray bottle or just wet your brush. So we'll start spraying our hair just a little bit, just to add some moisture in our hair. I've noticed I've tried doing these heatless curls with my hair completely dry and they don't really last in comparison to if my hair has just a little bit of moisture in it. Alright, now that we are done putting a little bit of moisture in our hair, we can move on to our rope string. So usually I get it and I fold it in half. And right at this fold, I'll put it on the center of my head. Just like this. Now grab your claw clip and we'll clip one side of the robe tie onto our hair. Just like this. And then from here, we'll grab just a little section of our hair, like this. Wrap it around the robe tie. Just like this. And now grab a little bit of hair just in the front. We don't have to go all the way back. Just grab a little bit more hair and attach it to that first piece. So both pieces are attached. And now we'll wrap it around again. And make sure you try to wrap it really tightly around the robe string, as well as try to keep these wraps as close together as you can. And then same thing, grab a little bit more hair and attach it to that same piece that we've been working with. Wrap it around and again try to bring it really close to these other loops. And wrap it around. And now we'll grab our final section, attach it, and same thing, wrap it all the way around. And once we have no more hair left, we just keep wrapping it all the way down. Alright, and once we get to the very end, we'll grab our scrunchie and tie it off. And I like to use scrunchies instead of like regular hair ties, just because regular hair ties could leave little dents in your hair. I think scrunchies are just a lot more easier on the hair. And when you are done, your hair should look something like this. So all the hair just wrapped around. And now we'll move on to the other side. So remove the clip. Alright, and now that we're at the end, again we'll tie it off with a scrunchie. Alright, now that we are done with both sides, it should look something like this. And for the end, I like to grab both sides and just twist them so that they could be a little bit tighter. So just get it and twist it really tight. Same thing with this side. And then once you have them twisted super tight, I bring them back behind me and then just tie a knot. Just like that. And then now it's all out of your face, it's out of the way, and you can go to sleep. however you want, and I will see you guys in the morning to take these out. Hello and good morning. I just woke up. It is 6:30 right now. I'm very tired, but I'm super excited to see how my hair turned out. So, to start off, we'll just unwrap it. So, I'm going to untie the knot in the back to bring these two parts forward. And let's take off the scrunchies. Okay. And now I'm going to start just unwrapping the hair. Just like this. All the way around. And look how pretty that curl is. Okay. Alright, so this is one side of my hair so far. So same thing on the other side, take off the scrunchie. Perfect, and go ahead and take your robe tie off. And now you have some beautiful curls. And from here you could either get your fingers and just brush out your curls, or you could brush it out with a brush. Personally, I like to just do it with my fingers, just separate them. And you can also do any hairstyle you like. You can pull these up into a clip, or you could pull them back into one little tie. You could divide this over. Whatever you think's cutest for you. And that concludes my little tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.